Hello, welcome to this video which will show you how to set up your MIDI keyboard so that you can use it to create music on your PLD Chromebook. First, before trying these steps, make sure that your MIDI keyboard is connected to your PLD Chromebook via USB cable, and also that the switch at the back of the MIDI keyboard is turned on. If your keyboard still cannot make sound, there are some things that you can check to make sure that you can create music with it. First, move your cursor to the top right corner of your browser to this mini keyboard icon here. This one that looks like the piano white and black keys. Click on it. Make sure that the first setting, continue allowing this site to control and reprogram your MIDI devices, is selected. Next, click on Instrument, and then again, bring your cursor to the right corner. You see three dots here. Click on it. MIDI device. Make sure that SE49 MIDI 1 is selected. Next, to ensure that you can see the correct pitch names for each key on the keyboard reflected, also make sure that this icon, Show Pitch, is turned on. When it is turned off, the letters that you see here are the letters that you will press on your computer keyboard, okay, to activate the keys on the MIDI keyboard. So just always ensure that Show Pitch is turned on so that there is no confusion when you read the chord charts and you play the chords. Have fun!